Forests play an important role in regulating the water cycle, maintaining quality of air, preventing soil erosion, and at the same time meeting the essential requirements of the people on renewable basis. Over the years, forests have suffered depletion due to relentless pressure arising out of increasing demand for fuel, wood, and timber. Due to lack of protective measure, diversion of forest land to non-forest uses, and the tendency to consider forest as a revenue-earning resource has caused the depletion of this valuable natural resource. Deforestation and its causes. Felling of trees to fulfill our need of fuel and timber is called deforestation. Due to population explosion, we are constantly in need of more and more fuel, wood, timber as construction material. The causes for deforestation can be listed as under. Population explosion. With increase in population accompanied by economic and technological development, more and more land is required for roads, railways, housing, industries, schools, and colleges. Forest is the only area from where land can be retrieved and deforestation occurs. Wood for industries and paper. Wood is used for making boxes, crates, packing cases, furniture, doors, windows, plywood, paper, matchboxes, artwork, ships, boats, etc. With ever-increasing consumption of these materials, wood is always in short supply and forests are at the receiving end. Dam and hydroelectric projects. A large forest area has to be cleared to construct dams for storing water. A large forest cover is lost in this way. Fires. Occurrence of fire in forest is a common phenomenon. Once the fire starts, it does not stop till it has caused a huge loss. Fire destroys trees, seedlings, and humus. Overgrazing. Overgrazing of forest by livestock badly degrades forest, leading to deforestation. Smuggling of woods. An illegal log market leads to unscrupulously felling of trees for their personal gains without consideration for national loss that it causes. Effects of deforestation. Deforestation causes soil erosion, leading to soil infertility. Deforestation causes formation of deserts. Deforestation causes change in the rainfall pattern. The area receives less rainfall, causing drought condition. Burning of wood causes increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Reduces photosynthesis, consumes less carbon dioxide, adding to CO2 concentration in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas and causes global warming. In the absence of trees in the forest, the run of water flows faster into rivers, causing flood condition. Forests are the natural habitat of many species of plants and animals. Due to deforestation, the home of these species are destroyed. Deforestation results in the extinction of many species. Climatic changes take place as a result of deforestation. Climate becomes warmer. Conservation of forest. The following measures are to be taken for the conservation of forest. Tree for a tree principle should be adopted. For every tree that has been felled, a tree should be planted. It is called afforestation, and when it is done on deforested lands, it is called reforestation. Wood as fuel should be discouraged. Minimizing cattle grazing at the same place. Forest fires should be fought and brought under control as fast as possible. Awareness programs should be conducted. Recycling of paper. Recycling means manufacturing of new products from the materials we considered as waste. You must have noticed dustbin of your school. It is mostly full of waste paper. Wood is used for making paper. Conservation of the paper by recycling means one way to conserve trees. Over-extraction of fossil fuels. Fossil fuel. Coal is being used as fuel and a source of energy for running locomotives, power plants, and other factories. Petrol and petroleum products are the only source of energy for the cars, scooters, buses, and other vehicles. More and more people are buying these vehicles for their comfort. City roads are choked by various kinds of vehicles run on petrol and petroleum products. They are not only consuming the natural resource but at the same time polluting the atmosphere too. Marine life is also disturbed due to over-drilling of crude oil. If coal and petroleum products are continued to be used at present rate, there would not be any coal and petroleum left after the end of current century. The diminishing stocks of coal, petroleum and firewood force the scientists to search for the alternative source of energy. We should produce energy from biogas, sun, wind and water. The biogas is produced from the waste products like cattle dung, human waste and garbage which on decomposition without air release methane gas and carbon dioxide. This mixture is called biogas. The residue of biogas can be used as manure. Solar energy. It is the biggest non-conventional source of energy. To make use of solar energy, it is trapped and converted into thermal and electrical energy. Total solar energy is used in various devices like solar water heater, solar cookers, solar dryers and solar cells. Hydel power. The next biggest source of energy in thermal power is hydel power. Wind power. Air is another important source of power. Wind power is converted into mechanical power and electrical power. Solar cooker. The sun has been radiating an enormous amount of energy. Only small part of solar energy reaches the outer layers of the Earth's atmosphere. A black surface absorbs more heat as compared to white. Solar cookers achieve a higher temperature by using mirrors to focus the rays of the sun. Solar cookers are covered with glass plates. Action Plan of Management and Protection of Environment. To conserve natural resources for coming generation, it is necessary to use appropriate technology which should be locally adaptable and eco-friendly. Management of waste also protect the environment. Action plan in the waste management has 4 stages. 4R approach. R. Recycle. R. Reuse. R. Reduce. R. Refuse. 1. Recycle. All those items which can be recycled like metals, paper should be used. 2. Reuse. All those items which can be used again and again like plastic plates, glass should replace those which are not reusable. 3. Reduce. The amount of garbage generated should be reduced to minimum. 4. Refuse. All those items which pollute environment are not required and cannot be recycled should be avoided. During the last century, human has depleted the natural resources. Conservation of resources is very important. In this context, statement of Gandhiji will not be out of reference. There is enough on this earth to meet everyone's need, but not everyone's greed.